First, you want to start by washing and cutting your strawberries. Next, we'll need our strawberries and skewers, and we are going to put the skewers through the strawberries. In a saucepan over medium-high heat, measure out 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Make sure not to mix or stir. We're going to allow this to come to a boil until it reaches 300 degrees. You'll want to avoid stirring, and we're going to wait until this reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. As our sugar boils, let's prepare an ice bath with ice and water. Once you reach 300, you want to tilt your pot over, and we're going to submerge our strawberries into our mixture. Place these into an ice bath. And this is going to instantly make the sugar syrup solid. Be sure to subscribe to the Baked Deco channel for more content like this.